zones. So for now I'll lay my head to sleep. I won't question, I just dream for a while. Whoa.
So in the fifth today, I'd like to talk about this small e-bike from DYU, the C3. So it's actually a foldable e-bike, but not the foldable that you know from other brands. So other brands normally fold in the middle, but because this e-bike has the battery in the middle, it's not possible. The other way you can do the folding is on the side, and then you can unfold the steering. This is pretty easy, a lot easier than some other foldable e-bikes, but this does make this one less compact. So do keep that in mind, but at least it will fit when folded the steering in most like medium-sized cars. So there are two things I find a bit funny about this e-bike. It has throttle support, so like the bigger brother, the C6, you can use throttle to use the engine, and also it is simple. This means there's no like speedometer, there's no like extra apps or anything. It is really turning on and it works. It also has cruise control, so you can use the button on the other side to keep some speed on it. And the funny thing with this one is that even though it doesn't have like any gears or anything, it is easy to like drive on it. The brakes are very strong, really very strong, even better than on the C6 I would say. And the overall build quality is even a bit better than like the C6. So the C6 is a fine e-bike, but this one is built more rugged and very well done together. So the range is maybe the biggest problem with this e-bike. It's not a very long range, so it's good for like supporting you and everything. It can do around 30 kilometers or so, but do keep in mind it is an e-bike for like short distance, and then it is a fine range. But if you use this e-bike for like, let's just say in half an hour or so, it is smart when you go back at home to keep charging it, so you are sure that you keep battery in a backup.
I wrote a letter to the ocean in a sea green colored ink. I never got a letter back. Ignore the feeling I feel in airports, happy then sad, going back to where I've always been. Who are we to wonder where we'll be when I don't even know if I'll stay in this time zone. So for now I'll lay my head to sleep. I won't question, I just dream for a while. Whoa. I threw an airplane into the mountains that was made of paper. I'll never see that plane again. Who are we to wonder where we'll be when I don't even know if I'll stay in this time zone. So for now I'll lay my head to sleep. I won't question, I'll just dream for a while. Oh, oh, oh. Who am I to abide by time when I don't even know if I'll stay in this time zone? So for now I'll lay my head to sleep. I won't question, I'll just dream. I won't question, I'll just dream for a while.
really, if I just like turn on the engine now, it's already going. So it's pretty cool. It's a very strong engine, around 250 watts or so. So again, it's a pretty cool e-bike. It works fine. It rides pretty comfortable for not having any suspension or anything. It is a solid e-bike, that's for sure.